Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you're like me and you like to have timeless pieces in your wardrobe, then you need to check out this adorable top that I found from Verdusa. I love this because it's a plain tee, it's ribbed, which I have a lot of plain ribbed tees in my closet. But what sets this one apart is the adorable square neckline and the ruffle sleeves. It really makes it feel feminine and cute. This is a fitted tee, which I like because I wear a lot of maxi skirts and I wanted to be able to pair it with those, which I can because it tucks in very nicely. It's not bulky. It also looks fabulous if you want to dress it down with a pair of jeans as well. It's true to size for me. I wear a medium, that's what I ordered. It fits perfect. These shirts are going to add so much versatility to your closet because they will go with so many things, and I honestly want to get them in all the colors. So if you're looking for an adorable little tee that you can wear with virtually anything, you're gonna love this one. And that's my point of view.